So this is what it's supposed to look like. But ours looks like this. You can see that this is all messed up and these went in like this.
And these corners, you see how much it's on the other too?
So that's going to make a big noise every time it smacks into this.
In order to have days like this, you're going to have days like this. This is Tips on Tuesday. We're going to talk about what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. Stay tuned so you don't feel like doing this. If you like these videos, please subscribe and give us a like. And if you have anything to add to the conversation or any questions, please leave them below. The Vetus coupling is between the transmission and the C drive, so here it is. And this is a C drive, not a C drive. It's named due to the shape. You can see the Vetus coupling here, and today we're going to change it. The engine has been a bit noisy lately, going from forward to reverse or reverse to forward, and there's been some excessive vibrations. We had been planning to change this for about a year, but wanted to find the right mechanic to help. I have heard a few nightmares about this job. Here is a diagram of the Vetus coupling, and its job is to reduce vibrations and compensate for misalignment of the engine. But there's a limit of about 2 degrees. Therein lies the nightmares. If the engine is not aligned properly with the C drive, you will have to change the Vetus coupling again, sooner than expected. Let's hope this job goes smoothly.
He's going to take it up, he's going to lift it, the engine?
Yeah, he's going to lift it up, and then we're going to, I guess he's going to slide it back. At least somebody knows what they're doing.
$1,000 kilos.
Is that how much that weighs?
This one takes 1,000.
Yeah, I don't think that my engine weighs more than like 500 pounds.
Something like that, yeah.
Scary. So I think the mount for the alternator is getting in the way of it going back. So he's had to remove all the mounts for the alternator. Looks like everything's undone. So we can't get the old one off, so they've got to take it down to the shop. So, a bit more work than we thought. Oh, looks like there's some water in there. So, they're going to put the new one on. Okay. You can see this is in a bad way. And there you go. There's all of those thingies.
What do you see?
See that? See the grooves?
All black?
No, you see those grooves? All this stuff? That's not supposed to be there. And see, these things wore out. So then the shaft was just banging up against that thing. Just like that.
That's a quickie. Do
Yeah.
you need anything?
No,
No?
thank you.
Water, coffee,
No.
paper? No?
So this is what it's supposed to look like. But ours looks like this. You can see that this is all messed up and these went in like this.
And these corners, you see how
see
much
that
it's on the other
indented.
two?
So that's going to make a big noise every time it smacks into this. Bing, bing, bing. So,
Tick, 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 tick.
yeah, there you go.
So it's all right.
It's good? Good, good?
Hmm?
It's good? Looks good. All that looks good. Looks good. All right.
Gear? Captain, the rope, no have rope. The problem. No rope.
In the water, no?
No ropes in the water.
Alright, in gear?
Yeah.
Okay? I'll try to reverse one more time.
If you like this video, give us a like, down below and click here to subscribe. That really helps us. And if you want to watch more of us, click one of those.
They said they came from Spanish.